Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how much selenium you need daily. Selenium is a crucial trace mineral, essential for many bodily functions. It plays a key role in making DNA, protecting cells from damage, and supporting your immune system. For most healthy adults, the recommended daily allowance is 55 micrograms. Getting enough selenium helps maintain proper thyroid function and overall well-being, so understanding your needs is important. Let's dive into the specific daily recommendations. For adult men and women, the recommended daily intake is 55 micrograms. If you are pregnant, your needs increase slightly to 60 micrograms per day. For those who are lactating, the requirement is 70 micrograms daily. These amounts are vital for supporting your body's functions and ensuring adequate levels for both you and, if applicable, your baby. Now, let's explore how to get enough selenium through your diet. Many delicious foods are rich in this essential mineral. Brazil nuts are exceptionally high, with just one nut often containing 95 micrograms, which is almost double the daily requirement for adults. Other great sources include seafood like tuna and sardines, lean meats such as chicken and beef, and eggs. Incorporating these foods regularly can help you meet your daily needs naturally. While selenium is essential, too much can be harmful. The tolerable upper intake level for adults is 400 micrograms per day. Consuming more than this can lead to toxicity, with symptoms like hair loss, brittle nails, a metallic taste in your mouth, and gastrointestinal problems. It is always best to obtain selenium from food sources. If considering supplements, please consult a healthcare professional for personalized guidance to ensure safe intake.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.